Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow process on how I designed this classic birthday flyer. Now I am using Adobe Photoshop, but if you're using any other design software like Affinity by Canva, CorelDRAW, or Pixela by mobile, then you can apply this same knowledge provided you know what you are doing. Now let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to set my canvas size. So we are going to use 9 for the weight, and then I'm going to keep the height at 10, and then we are going to leave the unit in inches, and I'm going to give my project a name. So I'm going to call this vintage birthday flyer, right? Good. And I'm going to leave everything as it is, and then click on this create button here. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to do is to set up my background. So I'm going to drag and drop this image right here, and I'm going to adjust it like this. So this is okay for me. So I'm going to click on this guy. Now head over to your image tab and then click on adjustment, and then go to the color balance. First select the shadows and then the tone balance. Alright, and then you're going to change the color levels. First, let's change this to 9, and then change this to 69. Now you're going to change this to 100. And then let's toggle the mid tones as well, and then you're going to change this to 95, and change the middle one to -100, and then the last one to -95. Now let's come to the highlights. Change this to 50, this to 45, and I'm going to change this to -58, and I'm going to click on OK. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rasterize the image, and then grab my eraser tool, right, and I'm going to wipe off the bottom like this. Good. I'm going to adjust it this way. Alright, so this is okay for me. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add our first text, which also forms part of the background design. So first, grab your text tool, and then let's change the color to white. Let's increase the size, and we are using Montserrat as the font. Alright, so I'm going to add my text, which will be the happy. Click on this guy. Good. I'm going to increase the size like this. Good. And I'm going to reduce the fill to 0%. Go to blending options, and then click on stroke, and then you're going to use 10 pixels. Alright, and then click on OK. Now let's see if you can change this to bold. Yeah, right. Click on this guy, and I'm going to increase the size like this. Put it right here. Click on this guy. Now come here and then click on these 3 dots there, and then click on this drop down arrow and select canvas, and then you're going to select this one, alright, to align it right in the middle. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and then you're going to drag it down like this, and then Ctrl+J again, and then remove it down like that. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to merge all these 3 texts together. Alright, so first select everything. Now right click on it, and then click on rasterize type. Right click on it again, and then click on merge layers. Now head over to the fill tab here, and then click on distort. Alright, and then select this option here which says 12. Good. Now you are going to keep this at, let's see, 167 degrees. Click on OK. Alright, so I think this is okay for me. Now this is what I'm going to do. Head over to the fill tab again, and then click on blur, click on Gaussian blur, and then you're going to keep the blur radius at 16.0 pixels, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright, now head over to your folder again, and then all the resources that I am using in this particular flyer design is right available in the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. So I'm not going to repeat myself. and then separately add these resources in this video. All right, so if you need them, then you need to get yourself the ultimate graphic design source pack. So I'm going to drag and drop this guy right here, click on this guy, rasterize the layer, and then let's grab our magic eraser tool, right? Then let's get rid of the white background. Good. Now I'm going to adjust it like this, keep it right here, click on this guy, and let's click on this guy right here. Good. And this is what we are going to do. Go to blending options, then select the color overlay, and then we are going to change the color to 0B to A01, and then click on OK. Then click on OK. Good. But the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in our first image. But before we do that, let's group these layers. And our keyboard, first on Ctrl+G, all right, and then I'm going to rename it as background. Good. And next what I'm going to do is to bring in our first image. So I'm just going to drag and drop this image right here, click on this guy, and I'm going to rasterize the image. Now head over to the select tab, click on subjects, and then wait for the subject to be selected. Now add a layer mask when the background is gone. So this is what you're going to do. Grab your eraser tool, all right, and then let's get rid of the lower parts like this. Okay, so I'm going to adjust it, put it right here. Now this image selected, the first image selected, head over to the image tab, click on adjustments, and then come down here and then click on the threshold. All right, and I are going to use the threshold level. We are going to keep it at 128, and then click on OK. Now right click on the image and then click on convert to smart objects. Right click on it and then rasterize the image. Now head over to your eraser tools and then select the magic eraser tool, and then this is what we are going to do. We are going to get rid of all the white portions. All right, so this is okay, so I think this is good for me. Now the next thing is to head over to our blending options. All right, and then click on the drop shadow option here. Good. And then we are going to make use of all of these settings. This is the color code FCDB, and then make sure your opacity is at 100%. Your angle, change the angle to -24. All right, and then the distance should be 44. The spread should be 0%. The size should be 0%, and then make sure you select the first contour, and then I'm going to click on OK. So this is the setting that we are using, and this is looking okay for me. Now let's go ahead and then add our second image. It is this one, so I'm going to drag and drop it here, click on this guy, rasterize the layer, and just like we did, head over to select tab, click on the subjects. All right, now add the layer mask, and the background is gone. So I'm going to resize it like this. Press on Ctrl+T on your keyboard to transform. Right click on it and then click on flick horizontal. Awesome. Now click on this guy, right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Right click on it again and then rasterize the layer. Now grab your eraser tool and then let's get rid of the lower parts like this. Good. I'm going to keep it right here. So this is what you are going to do with this image. Go to filter and then click on the camera raw filter. You are going to color grade the picture a little bit so that it looks open. Now come to exposure, then let's inflate the exposure. The contrast, okay, this is okay. The highlights, all right. Now I'm going to go to saturation and I'm going to click on OK. All right, so this is okay for me. Now the next thing to do is to add our first text. So grab your text tool and I'm going to add my first text, which will be, first let's change the color to black. All right, and then the first text will be Joshua. Click on this guy and then change the font to Samantha. Right, let's increase the size to 35. Then I'm going to put it right here. So let me move the background to the top like this. I'm going to change the color of the text to 02342A. Right, click on OK. Now I'm going to add my birthday wish. All right, so I have it typed here. I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to grab my text tool, draw a text box, and then Ctrl+V to paste. Then I'm going to just adjust it like this. Change the font to Montserrat, decrease the size. All right, and I will just space it out this way. Let's put it right here like this. Centerize it. Now let's change the font style from regular to medium. Okay, medium is good. Okay, and I'm going to add my last text, and then we wrap up with this video. All right, so I have my next text here. I'm just going to adjust it like this. Increase the size. Good. And I'm going to change this font. All right, the font for the happy, only the happy, I'm going to change it to Samantha. All right, and then we are going to maintain the won't escape, the remaining text as Montserrat. All right, but then change the font style to bold. Then we use black. Good. And then I'm going to adjust it like this. Then I'm going to put it right here. All right, so there we have our vintage birthday flyer, looking very, very beautiful. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified anytime I drop new Photoshop tutorial like this. If you have not gotten yourself the ultimate graphic design resource pack, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so that you can purchase your copy. Until I come with another Photoshop tutorial like this, come out.